All right, guys. So a question that I get all the time is, what if I have one pixel, but I have multiple different websites, right? So what if I want to create like a purchase, a custom audience of people who purchased, right? But let's say that I have one website that sells an Amazon course, and I have one website that sells a Shopify course. Can I use the same pixel and create two different purchase conversion custom audiences to actually retarget, right? So how would I do that? So this right here is one of my Amazon funnels, right? This right here is one of my Shopify funnels, and I want to use the same pixel. And so what would happen if I put my standard event for a purchase on the thank you page on both Amazon and on Shopify, right? If I went to create a custom audience here, and let's say that I wanted to, create a custom audience of everyone who has purchased, right? But that would be kind of mixed, right? Because those people who've purchased, some of them have purchased Amazon, some of them have purchased Shopify, and so that purchase conversion would be confused. It wouldn't be able to, optimize to go find other people who are likely to convert on Amazon, right? If there's purchase data both from Amazon and from Shopify, right? Because I want to use the same pixel. So how do I actually do that? So the way that you do this, guys, is when you're creating a custom audience and you're optimizing it specifically for purchases. The way that you do this is on the thank you page, right, where our actual purchase takes place. On this page is where their little standard event code that has that little snippet of code that we showed you how to install from your pixel, right, specifically to show Facebook that this signifies a purchase when people load and see this URL. So the way that we do this, guys, is we set a purchase and then we click right here where it says refine by and then URL parameter. And what we can do, guys, is we can take this specific link. This is the link that signifies a purchase for Amazon, and we can put in the link right here, and then we'd call this one Amazon purchase custom audience for, right? And we can call this Amazon purchases. And then when we create this audience, it's now a purchase conversion audience specifically for this URL, right? And then if we wanted to do it for Shopify, all we would do is come find the thank you page URL right here, and we would create another custom audience just exactly in the same way, right? We would choose right pixel, and then we would choose purchases, and then we just refine by URL parameter and take the thank you page from Shopify. And that way, guys, we can have a conversion audience that optimizes to find other people who are going to buy Amazon, and we have a conversion audience who is customized to go out and find other people who are likely to purchase Shopify, right? So that is how you differentiate multiple different products and websites using the same pixel when you can create custom audiences to make ultra targeted conversion campaigns, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and let's get to the next.